Welcome to Mini Orange. In this video, we will show you how to configure single sign-on into Joomla with Okta as your identity provider. First, download and install the Mini Orange SAML SP extension from the Joomla extensions directory. First, go to your Joomla dashboard. Here, go to Components, Mini Orange SAML Single Sign-On, and then click on Service Provider Metadata. Click on the Manual Info tab and copy the SP entity ID and the ACS URL. Now go to your Okta dashboard. Now go to the Applications dropdown, then click on Applications. Click on the Create App Integration button, select SAML 2.0 and click Next. Now give the app a name and click on the Next button. Paste the ACS URL and the SP entity ID in the given fields. Scroll down and click the Next button. Finally, click the Finish button. Now go to the Assignments tab. Click on the Assign dropdown and select Assign to People. Here, assign the users you want to perform single sign-on for and click on the Done button. Now go to the Sign On tab and copy the metadata URL. Now go back to the SAML SP plugin. Here, go to the Service Provider Setup tab. Click on Add New IDP and paste the metadata URL in the given field. Then click on the Fetch Metadata button. Now, click on the Test button in the Actions menu. You will see a Test Successful window if the configuration was successful. Now, you can copy the SSO URL and add it to your Joomla site to allow users to log in using their Okta credentials. Enjoy a 7-day free trial and experience all our premium features. Reach out to us at joomlasupport@securify.com. Thank you for watching. Please visit us at plugins.miniorange.com/Joomla to learn more about our products.